This is Bearded Appliance Repair, and we're going to help you fix it. We got a water filter housing that we're replacing today on this Whirlpool refrigerator. There is a slow water flow through it. I have verified water to it. Water to it is great. We're just not getting anything out of it. We've tried a filter already. Filter doesn't do it. So the only thing left is this filter housing itself. And that's what we are replacing today. Alright, to get these water lines off, there's that little tab there. You got to push them down, and it's kind of tough. You got to get it on both sides before it'll actually free up that water line. But that's the trick to getting them out. It may give you some trouble, but eventually you'll get it. Alright, grab your new filter housing, put it in the hole, and put in these water lines. There's two different sizes, a bigger one and a smaller one. The bigger one goes on top and the smaller one goes on bottom. You just stick them in, pull them, make sure they're nice and secure. They go in maybe a half an inch.